Hey guys, there's been a lot of speculation on what gold levels is gold. Now I'm talking to a friend, you don't have to be on the camera, but who you used to work for?
I work by Zenith. Zenith War Wheels.
So how long did you know Mr. Craig?
Yeah, I know Mr. Craig.
Okay, there you go. So the question is, when they say 5-time gold, what do you consider this to be right here with everything gold?
That one is 5 times with a knockoff is gold plated. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And when it's okay, so
this one is triple gold. 1, 2, and 3.
Okay, on 3. Okay, and so what do you call it when the rim is all gold
that one
here?
Is 6 times.
That's 6 times. Okay, so is there anything called well, was there 2 different ways you described? This is 5-time gold.
5 times gold.
That's 3.
3 times gold.
And and that's pretty much it?
No, someone they have like only gold nipples.
Only gold nipples? Okay.
Yes. When the people want to make it, only gold nipples. That's only gold nipples.
It's just gold nipples.
Just only gold nipples.
Gold nipples. Okay. In your opinion, Zenith wire wheel was like there was them and there was Dayton. If they are real Zenith wire wheel, what's the largest side they made when they were real wheels?
17.
17 was the largest.
They don't make it that much bigger than thing.
Okay.
The most bigger you can get on Zenith
On
is
Zenith.
17.
17, that was the
You
cutoff.
get 18, 19, 20s.
That's something else.
Something else, yes.
Okay. So now you guys are hearing it from the man. He said, hey, anything bigger than 17. See, I thought the number was 16 because of the Jaguar and stuff.
Yes.
And so
this is the most bigger you can get on Zenith.
on Zenith, and that's Zenith Hub, Zenith.
Yes. 17.
It's 17.
These wheels was for the old man, Mr. Jim Craig. He's using for like 2-3 years.
And what did these normally go on? What do you have
That
these?
one is double cross.
Double cross.
They cross 1, 2. They cross 1, 2. You never see a wheel like that nowhere. This one is a real Zenith wheel, double cross.
And what did these normally be on? What kind of vehicle were those on?
You can use on anyone.
Oh, okay. Use on
The
anything.
important thing is the tire.
The tire.
You can use a low profile tire. You can get much bigger tire. You can get a bow tire on these ones. But the most important thing is get the super sweat knockoff.
The super swept knockoff.
Super sweat knockoff is the most beautiful you can get.
So in your opinion, the super swept knockoff, the when they made the Series 2, which one did you like better, the Series 2 or did you like the?
First thing he make Series 2. And then he make this design. This look like almost same thing like Series 2.
Yeah.
But he make this kind. They have seen it on the back side.
Does the hub on the back of that hub say Zenith on the back of that?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Series 2, they have like a spline. The upper, they have spline. And the hub, they have spline. You want to be connected. Put them on by impact. And then find a hole and lock it with a screw.
With the screw, yeah.
And then put them on the 3 screws around the knockoff to be holding the knockoff.
And that's the 202 Series 2s.
You can use 2-year knockoff, 3-year knockoff, and super sweat knockoff. On Series 2.
On Series 2.
And these ones, you can use any one you want.
Okay.
Any knockoff, China, or any places. The center is exact.
Exact, okay.
You can use any China one. You can use any American. You can use real Zenith. The center is same thing.
Okay. So I guess you guys, that is the definitive answer coming from the man himself who knew the man. There you have it.
Welcome by the old man.
Question: what's the original color of that pickup truck right there?
No, it's not.
It's not the blue. It's not the.
those ones.
Okay, I thought it was a blue truck.
It was one for somebody. But the truck he's using, that one is a Chevy.
Yeah.
The black Chevy. He have it on the parking spot right there in front, under the tree.
Yeah,
There.
yeah, that truck. Yeah, I was saying, okay. I thought it was dark.
That one, he's using one of those blue ones.
The blue truck. That's why I remember the blue truck myself.
And he had one of those Cutlass. Using.
Okay.
And then he buy a Nissan. The base one Nissan, he put him on those 17 and he had accident. He destroyed one wheel and I And I have only 3. I need to make another one.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, well, hey, thank you very much, young man.
Thank you very
for
much.
the answer.
I know